guys, welcome to this midweek episode of R&D Garage. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, liking, and commenting, as well as everybody who's been there since the beginning. You guys rock. Anyway, this is basically just a holiday message from me to you. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and whatever you celebrate, I hope you make the best of it and that it's wonderful. I just wanted to update you guys. So this is kind of like a winter promo as well. We've got so many things coming up that I think you guys are going to be excited about. First of all, Blueberry's tranny jack arrived. So I'm going to be dropping the tranny out finally this week. I know you guys have been waiting for that. The serpentine belt on the FJ, haven't forgotten about that. Let's see what else. Grandpa Truck. Grandpa Truck needs a little bit of tender love and care right now, and so we're going to get started on that. And I have a couple friends coming on the channel. You may think I'm going to the dark side. I promise you right now, totally not. But at any rate, I just, again, want to wish you guys the happiest of holidays. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking and commenting and sharing my videos. You guys are awesome. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in the new year.